Alright guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add banner to the side of your website. So you're having a banner that you want to add to the side of your website so that your visitors can have access to it at the right sidebar or left sidebar of your website. So this is how you do it. So let's say on this website here, one of my website here, I want to add banner to my page or post here. So I want to go to dashboard area. So here I want to go to appearance and I want to go to widgets. So here is the main sidebar here. So let's say I want to add banner to this sidebar here. So you can just scroll down and click the plus button here. So when you click the plus button here, it's going to show up this box here. So you are going to look for HTML. You are going to type HTML. If you are using the code, if it is image, you are just gonna, if it is image banner you want to use, you're just gonna type image. Then you go from here to add your image from your website. Then you're ready to go. But if you are using the HTML code, you can just type the HTML. Then custom HTML. We're going to be using this custom HTML to paste in the code. So now let me go grab my code here. So I want to add this banner to the sidebar of my website. So this is the code right here. So I'm going to copy it here and I'm going to go back to my website and drop it on the HTML. So now if I want to, now that I've added it to the sidebar, I want to preview it. I want to see how it looks like. So I'm just going to click preview here. And this is how it looks like. And it looks great on my website. So now if I click update, it's going to save it. So now if I go to one of my posts or pages, so let's click all posts. So let's say I want to view the simple page here. I go ahead and click the simple page. So now if I go ahead and scroll down here, you are going to see the banner there. So this is the banner right there. That's my downside. So second way you can do it, second method you can use is to download the plugin. So you want to download the add inserter plugin. So you want to download a plugin. So you want to look for plugin here and go to add new plugin. So here you want to look for add inserter. So you want to type add inserter. So this is the plugin right there when you download it. So this is the plugin right there. When you download it and activate it, it's going to help you insert the code to the sidebar or anywhere at all on your website. So now let's go ahead and do that. So now you want to, after you've downloaded the plugin, so you want to go to settings. So at this block one here, you're having the HTML code. You can just place the HTML code there, and this is the code right there. So you can choose. So now you can choose where you want this block to show up. So you can choose if it is post, home page, categories, tag, and so on and so forth. So and you can choose from, if you want to disable it, you want it to show before post, you want it to show before content, you want it to show before paragraph, after paragraph. You make your choice from this area. Here is the alignment. So you want it to align to left, right. You want it to float to right. And if you want to add any additional CSS, you can do it here. So there is where you can do it. So when you finish, you are going to save setting. And if you want to preview it, you can preview it here. So now that we've set up the code, we've set up the block and the code has been added. So now let's go back to the widget area, and let me show you how you can add it to the sidebar or anywhere on your website. So now you want to go to appearance and go to widgets. So this is the main sidebar. This is our sidebar. Right? So you want to scroll down again, and you want to click add. If you want to add it to the bottom, or you want to add it to the top, you can do it. So when you scroll down here, you click plus here, and here. So here on this box here, you can just type add inserter. So here is it. Yeah. When you click on it, it's going to show all the blocks. So this is the block one here. This is the block that we just set up. So now we want to choose this block there. So these are all the blocks that are on the setup. So we want to choose block one because it's what we just set up. So when you choose that, if you want to name it, you can just name it. You can just type the title of the system. Let's say banner. So now you've named it. So if you want to go, then you can update it at the right side here. And there is it. So now let's say I want to move this banner. I want to move it up. It is down here. So I want to move it to the top here. So all what you can do is you can just click here and move it there. Or you can just use this. Click it there and you can just drag it up. It's going to help you drag it up. So when I drop it here, it's going to remain there at the top. So now let's update it again. Let's save it and view how it looks like on our website. So now let's go back to one of my page here. So I want to go to the simple page. So let's view the simple page back again. And there is it. So as you can see, the banner is there on my page. So that's the two ways you can add banner to the sidebar of your website. You can use the HTML. You can use the custom HTML on your block editor or classic editor, or you use the add inserter to add it to your website. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you'll be able to follow along. So that's all I have for you on this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Drop your comment down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.